Welcome. In front of me is a ELEPHONE C1 Max, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, or any kind of other file from the phone to SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up your file manager app. So go into the apps and file manager here. Just allow this. And from here, you should see the two different storages. So your SD card at the bottom, and then the internal shared storage. So actually, I'm gonna leave this and take a screenshot, or not a screenshot, a photo, so I have something to transfer. Okay, now let's go back. And photos look like they're being not saved here. There it is. So photos are being saved automatically to the device itself, and anything that you capture with your phone, video, photos will be always located under the DCIM folder right here. And then camera or videos, if it's videos, then it's going to be additional folder. Photos will be right here. As you can see, if I tap on it, you will see that this is the photo that I have captured. So there it is. So from here, once you find the content that you wish to move, all you need to do is just hold it like this. It gets selected on blue. You can tap on additional ones to add more if you want to select, move or copy more than one file. And if you want to move the entire folder, for instance, full of photos, you don't need to select all of them separately. You can actually go back and just copy or move the entire folder itself like this. You also hold it till it gets blue, and then tap on one of the options which one suits you. The two-page icon, one right here, the second one from the left. This is a copy, and we'll just create an additional copy of all the files while keeping the ones right here, original ones where they are right now. Now the cut option will allow you to completely move the entire folder, so it will be removed from here and moved to the location of your choice. So just pick whichever one suits you. I'm gonna move the entire folder, so I'm just gonna choose the cut option right here, the scissors. You can see it becomes a little bit fainted. And from here, you want to navigate to the place which you want to move it to. So I'm just going to move it from the internal storage to the SD card. So it's going to be here. And that's the SD card. From here, I can create a new folder. So I can place it in a folder to keep it more organized, or just paste it right here where on the middle of the SD card. So you can just do it like so. And you should see the camera folder right here with all its content. Now, if I were to go back to the internal storage and DCIM, you will see that there is no more files here. They were completely removed from here. That's because of the cut function. But that is basically how you would copy or move files, and you can do this. It works the same way for any kind of file. It doesn't really matter. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.